destination for outdoor inspiration and landscape mastery. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are stripping away the clutter and focusing on the beauty of simplicity. Minimalist outdoor dining decor is a design philosophy centered on the principle of less is more. It is not just about having an empty patio. It is about the intentional selection of furniture and accents that prioritize clean lines, a neutral color palette and high-quality materials. In a minimalist setting, every object serves a purpose, whether functional or aesthetic, ensuring that the architecture of your home and the natural beauty of your surroundings remain the true stars of the show. It is the art of creating a sophisticated dining experience by eliminating unnecessary distractions. Adopting a minimalist approach to your outdoor dining area offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond simple aesthetics. Firstly, it creates a profound sense of psychological calm. By reducing visual noise, your backyard becomes a genuine sanctuary for relaxation and high-quality conversation. Functionally, minimalist spaces are significantly easier to maintain. With fewer trinkets to dust and less bulky furniture to move, you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals al fresco. Furthermore, minimalism often leans toward higher quality, durable pieces rather than trendy, disposable items, making it a more sustainable and cost-effective investment in the long run. Finally, a clean and open layout makes even the smallest patios feel expansive and airy. Decorating a minimalist outdoor dining area requires a disciplined eye and a focus on balance. Start by choosing a primary neutral tone, such as slate gray, warm teak, or crisp white, to act as your foundation. To make the space look good without adding clutter, focus on texture and lighting rather than ornaments. Use a single high-quality outdoor rug with a subtle geometric pattern to define the dining zone. Incorporate greenery through architectural plants like tall grasses or structural succulents in monochromatic pots. Lighting should be discreet. Think recessed floor lights or a single sleek pendant over the table. The goal is to create layers of visual interest through the natural grain of wood, the smoothness of stone, or the weave of high-end outdoor fabrics, ensuring the space feels warm and invited rather than cold or empty. When selecting items for this style, prioritize sleek profiles and multifunctional designs. The centerpiece should be a streamlined dining table made of weather-resistant materials like aluminum, concrete, or sustainably sourced wood. Pair this with chairs that feature open silhouettes to maintain a sense of flow and light. For accessories, keep it limited to functional decor, like a simple ceramic pitcher, linen napkins in earthy tones, or a minimalist sunshade. High-quality, weatherproof cushions in solid colors provide comfort without disrupting the clean lines of the furniture. Remember, in a minimalist space, the best item is one that combines exceptional durability with a timeless, understated aesthetic. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best minimalist outdoor dining decor ideas to inspire you for your next project. The rattan rope retreat. This setup features a beautiful light wood table paired with elegant armchairs characterized by vertical rope detailing. The neutral tones of the wood and the gray cushions blend seamlessly into the wooden decking, while the lush green backdrop provides a natural pop of color. It is a perfect example of how texture, rather than color, can create a luxurious and inviting atmosphere. 2. Modern poolside zen. Focusing on sharp contrasts, this design uses a warm wood picnic-style table and bench set against a stark modern concrete wall. The addition of a large, square white cantilever umbrella and spherical floating pool lights adds a futuristic yet serene touch. This look is ideal for those who want their outdoor dining area to feel like a high-end private gallery. 3. The Sky Blue Minimalist. Injecting a bit of personality while staying minimalist, this idea uses sleek, molded plastic chairs in a soft sky blue hue. The white X-frame table keeps the look light and airy, making it perfect for smaller balconies or sun-drenched terraces. The absence of heavy decor allows the clean shapes of the furniture to provide the visual interest. For the urban veranda lounge, this layout maximizes a narrow porch space by using a low-profile sectional sofa and a central white orb coffee table. The use of a simple blue striped rug and large potted plants creates a room feel outdoors without the need for walls. It is a masterclass in using vertical space and greenery to provide privacy in a minimalist way. 5. Under the pavilion simplicity. A large wooden dining table shaded by a modern metal pavilion offers a structured and protected dining experience. The dark, sleek chairs provide a bold contrast to the light-colored stone pavers. This design works perfectly for large families who want a permanent, sturdy outdoor setup that still looks contemporary and uncluttered. 6. The modern bar and grill. This sophisticated setup features a built-in bar with wood paneling and white minimalist bar stools. An adjacent long dining table with orange accents proves that minimalism can handle a splash of color when used sparingly. The clean lines of the low-walled planters keep the surrounding garden organized and intentional. 7. Rustic white elegance. Taking minimalism to the farmhouse, this long white wooden trestle table and matching benches create a communal dining vibe. Decorated only with simple glass bottles and green stems, this look relies on the beauty of symmetry and the surrounding natural forest to create a peaceful, banquet-style setting. 8. The textured gravel courtyard. By using a gravel base, this dining area achieves an earthy, grounded feel. The slat-back white chairs and the natural wood table are accented by a single yellow throw and string lights. This shows how a few carefully chosen soft elements can make a minimalist space feel incredibly cozy for evening gatherings. 9. High-rise balcony chic. Perfect for apartment living, this setup uses navy blue chairs with wooden legs to complement a simple slatted wood table. Set against a white brick wall and palm trees, the look is crisp and nautical. It demonstrates that you don't need a large yard to achieve a professional, minimalist dining aesthetic. 10. The industrial bench blend. This final idea combines a white metal frame table with a matching bench and woven back chairs. The use of mixed seating, benches and chairs, adds a modern edge while keeping the overall footprint of the furniture low and unobtrusive. It is a clean, versatile look that fits almost any architectural home style. Creating a minimalist outdoor dining area is about more than just buying furniture. It is about curating a lifestyle that values quality, peace, and the beauty of the outdoors. By choosing pieces that speak for themselves and avoiding the trap of over-accessorizing, you create a space that will remain stylish for years to come. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a compact balcony, the principles of minimalism can help you turn your home into a professional-looking retreat. If you enjoyed these minimalist ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for your weekly dose of home inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip on how to make your living spaces look beautiful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.